In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in Canva. If you want to give your text a more polished, stylish, or emphasized look, using italics is a quick and simple option. Canva makes this easy, and in just a moment, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it clearly and smoothly. Start by opening your Canva design and finding the text you want to edit. Once your design is on screen, click directly on the text box that contains the words you want to change. Make sure the specific text is selected before moving on, because Canva only applies formatting changes to the text box or highlighted text you're actively working with. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the Italic button, which is shown as a capital I. When you click that button, Canva will immediately change your selected text to an italic style. This happens instantly, so you'll be able to see the difference right away. Italics usually make text appear more slanted and can be useful for emphasis, subtitles, quotes, or design elements that need a softer visual touch. After the text changes to italics, take a moment to see how it looks in your overall design. Sometimes italic text can appear slightly narrower or more delicate depending on the font you're using. If needed, you can adjust the font size to improve readability. You can also fine-tune the spacing if the letters or lines feel too tight or too spread out. Alignment is another helpful thing to check, especially if your text is part of a heading, caption, or centered layout. Small adjustments here can make the final result look much cleaner and more intentional. If you don't see the italic effect working, the most likely reason is that the font you're using doesn't support italics. In that case, simply switch to a different font that does include an italic style. Once you choose a compatible font, you should be able to click the italic button and apply the effect without any issue. That's all it takes to italicize text in Canva. It's a small formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how your design feels and how your message comes across. Try it out, make any needed adjustments, and you'll have text that looks more refined and visually engaging.